Oh, you can feel it. Oh dear. That's... I'm sorry. Oh, that's nice. That's a good thing. Oh shit. This is scary. Oh shit! Oh my god, they have a fucking solstice. Oh my god, you fucking saw another Miata and then a fucking solstice? That is cool. I mean, don't get me wrong, the solstice is a piece of shit, but like, it's cool, you don't see them often. It's the American Miata, you know? They don't make it anymore, it's a Pontiac, but they weren't built amazingly well, but they're still cool cars to see.